Exercise 13.7. Today we will start volume of cone. So this is a right circular cone of radius r. This is slant height and this is height. ठीक है. So this is base area pi r square and this is height. So volume of cone is equal to pi r square h 1 upon 3 pi r square h cubic unit. It is 1/3 of the radius of cylinder, when radius of cylinder and radius height of cylinder is equal to the cone. जब r और h कोन और सिलेंडर के बराबर होंगे, see here, this height is equal, this radius is equal, then volume of cone is 1/3 volume of cylinder. 1/3 volume of cylinder. Now question number first. Find the volume of right circular cone. Find करना है volume of cone, right circular cone. रेडियस है 3.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट है 12 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज सेकंड पार्ट. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज इक्वल टू 1 upon 3 pi r square h. पुटिंग द वैल्यूज 1 upon 3 22 into 7 3.5 into height is 12. This 10 comes down. Now cut it. You will get 3 4s are 12, 7 5s are 5 2s are 11 and 5. 2 से काटा 5 7s are again 2s are, so it becomes 11 into 7 into 2 centimeter cube. Now 22 into 7, it becomes 154 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone. Now second question. Question 2 of this exercise. Question 2. Find the capacity. It means you have to find volume in liters. You have to find capacity in liters. Given to you, first part I will take. Given to you, radius is equal to 7 centimeter, and in slant height, this is not h, this is slant height 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Now see here, this is a right circular cone. This slant height is given to you 25 centimeter L. This R is given to you 7. This is a right triangle inside cone. This is height. So we can find height. We know that slant height is equal to h square plus r square. So slant height is 25, h square don't know, r is 7 ka square, so h square is equal to 25 into 25, 625 and 49 comes here. So h square is equal to, subtract कीजिए, 15 में से 9 जाएगा 6 है ना, कितना बचेगा, फिर 4 है और हो जाएगा 11 में से 4 गया 7 and 576. Taking square root of 576, it becomes 24 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट कितनी आ गई? 24. So H is now 24. So volume of cone या कैपेसिटी लीटर में निकालेंगे. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h cubic unit. 1/3 into 22/7. What is r? 7 into 7. And what is h? 24 centimeter cube. This 7 cancel out. This will cut and comes 8. 22 into 7, 154 into 8 centimeter cube. When you multiply it, you will get 12 8 the 32, 43 and 132 centimeter cube. So we have to find capacity in liters. So what you do, divide by 1000, it comes in liter. So it is 1.232 liter. 1.232 liter. Now I take question number 3rd. First two are directly formula based. Question number 3rd. Question 3rd. The height of a cone is given to you. Given क्या है? Height of cone is given to you 15 centimeter. Volume is 1500 centimeter cube. Find the radius of base. Find क्या करना है? Radius निकालना है r. और पाई को क्या यूज लेना है? 3.14. It is mentioned to you. Now we know that volume of cone कितना होता है? 1/3 pi r square h. What is volume is given to you 1570. Units are same. 1/3 into 3.14. It is given to you. R is don't know and height is 15 centimeter. Now this decimal will remove. Cross multiplied 1570 into 100 into 3 upon 314 into 15 is equal to r square. So what you do? You cut with 5, है ना? 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are either you cut it with इसको 5 से काट दो. 3 5s are 15. And if you multiplied it 1570 into 100 upon इसको multiply करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 1570 आ जाएगा is equal to r square. This will cut. So r square is equal to 100 and r is equal to 10 centimeter. So radius of cone is 10 centimeter. Question number 4. Given volume of cone, that is cone, its volume is given, V is given to you, V is given 48 pi centimeter cube and height of cone is given to you 9 centimeter. You have to find diameter of its base. You have to find this D question mark. So we have to find diameter. So we know that V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 48 pi is equal to 1/3. Here it is pi. See, don't change pi. Don't change pi. R is don't know. Height is 9. Now pi cancel out. This 3 and this 3 cancel out. Now 48 upon 3 is equal to r square. Now cut it with 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18. R square is equal to 16. There are two values of r. plus 6 plus 4 and minus 4, so radius is not negative. R is equal to 4 centimeter. R is equal to 4 centimeter. So we know that diameter is twice radius. 2 into 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now I will take question number 5.
Your screen is coming black.
See, question number 5. A conical pit, top of diameter, एक conical pit किया. This diameter is, this is given. This is conical pit. Diameter is given to you 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. So radius is 3.5 upon 2 meter, and its deep height. Height is given to you 12 meter. Find the volume. Find capacity in kiloliter. So आंसर आएगा मीटर क्यूब में. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. So first we find the capacity volume in meter cube. So volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now 1 upon 3, what is pi? 22 upon 7. R is 3.5 upon 2. 3.5 upon 2 into 12. Now see here, this point will remove and 0 will come down, so it becomes 30, 20. Now 7 5s are 5 4s are 4 3s are 3 3 will cut, 3 3 will cut. This you cut with 5. 5 7s are 5 7s are 5 4s are. This is 11. This is 2. You will get volume is equal to 11 into 7 upon 2. So 77 upon 2, you will get 77 upon 2. This comes in meter cube. Meter cube. So volume is 38.5 meter cube, and in kiloliter it is 38.5 kiloliter. Now, question number 6. Question number 6.
Sir,
See these questions. See this question. Question number 6. The volume of a right circular cone. Again, what is given to you? Cone is given to you. Cone is, right circular cone is given to you, and its volume is given. Volume is equal to 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base, this diameter D, is given to you 28 centimeter, so R is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 14 centimeter, half of diameter. Find करना है. You have to find number 1 height h of cone. Height of cone. Second, you have to find slant height. Slant height. This is h. This is slant height L. And third, you have to find CSA of cone. Now, one by one, I will find. See here, height of cone. So we know that volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h centimeter cube. It is given to you 9856 1 upon 3 into 22/7. R is 14 into 14 into H. This will cut 2. Okay. Now 9856 into 3 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो अपॉन 22 into 2 into 14 is equal to H. So this comes in centimeter and you will cut it. You will get 2 से काटो इसको 2 4 जा 8 2 9 जा 18 2 9 जा 2 2 जा 2 2 जा 4 2 9 जा 18 2 2 जा 4 2 8 6 4 9 2 this. Now cut it with 11 11 4 जा 44 11 4 जा 44 and 4 5 11 4 जा 44 and 44 5 or this, and if you solve it you will get, again cut it with 2 2 2 ja 4 2 4 ja 8 2 6 ja 12 2 4 ja 8, this is 11. Now again cut with 2 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4 2 3 ja 6 2 7 ja, now it is 7. So again cut it with 11 1 13, no. So if you solve it you will get H is equal to 48 centimeter. H is equal to 48. If you solve it you will get H is equal to 48 centimeter. Now slant height L, we know that under root R square plus H square. R is what? 14. 14 का स्क्वायर प्लस 48 का स्क्वायर. Now 14 का स्क्वायर is 196 and 48 का स्क्वायर is 2304. If you add it you will get 2500. Now L comes is 25 centimeter. Now we have to find CSA. CSA of cone, that is pi r L. Pi is 22/7, r is 14 and L is 25. This will cut. This is 44 into 25 centimeter square. This you multiplied it, you will get 2200 centimeter square. Question 7. A right circular triangle ABC. This is a right circular triangle ABC of sides 5, 13 and 12 centimeter is revolved about the side. Revolved, घूम रहा है, revolved about side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of solid so obtained. Find volume of solid. जो volume of solid बनेगा किस शेप का बनेगा? When right circular triangle is moving along this side, so it becomes radius. R is 5 centimeter. Here R is 5 centimeter and height is 12 सेंटीमीटर. जिस साइड के अलोंग रिवॉल्व हो रहा है वो परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा और उसको आप हाइट ले लीजिएगा, दैट इज हाइट. सो इट वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड किस शेप का होगा? कोन का होगा. 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो 1/3 पाई को पाई रहने दीजिए इंटू आर इज 5 इंटू 4 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. 3 से इसको काट दीजिए 4 25 इंटू 400 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. नाउ क्वेश्चन 8 में क्या किया है? व्हाट ही डन इन क्वेश्चन 8 में उसने क्या किया है? रिवॉल्विंग साइड कौन सी ले ली है? इन क्वेश्चन 8 रिवॉल्विंग साइड इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. इन क्वेश्चन 8 जो रिवॉल्विंग है, रिवॉल्व अब किसके अलोंग हो रहा है? रिवॉल्व अबाउट 5 सेंटीमीटर. revolve about 5 centimeter and find the ratio of the two solids obtained. And find क्या करना है? Find ratio. No, 5 ये हो गया, 12 ये हो गया. This is 5 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter. अब रिवॉल्व इसके अलोंग हो रहा है 5 सेंटीमीटर के अलोंग हो रहा है. ए ट्राइंगल ए बी सी उल्टा कर दिया. रिवॉल्व इस 5 के अलोंग हो रहा है, तो रेडियस इज आर इज 12. हियर आर इज 12, हाइट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. So volume obtained in this, volume of solid in this case, it is also a cone. Whenever you move right cone, right triangle, it forms a solid cone. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h, 1 upon 3 pi को pi रहने दीजिए. r कितना हो गया इसमें? 12 into 12 into 5. This will cut 4. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 12, 240. 240 centimeter. Now, this you will give V1 and this you will give V2. So ratio V1 upon V2, 100 pi upon 240 pi. Pi cancel out, 0 0 cancel out. 2 5s are 2 12s are. Ratio is 5 upon 12, that is 5 is to 12. 5 is to 12. Last question, question 9. A heap of wheat is formed of a cone, in the form of cone. This is a heap of wheat in the form of cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter. This is given 10.5 meter. So radius हो जाएगा 10.5 upon 2, इसको काट दो 20 meter. 105 upon 20 meter and height is h. This is h. H is given to you 3 meter. Find its volume. Find करना है volume. The heap is to covered with the canvas and protect it. Find the area of the canvas. इस canvas का area find करना है. Canvas का area. First volume, second area of canvas, that is CSA of cone you have to find. This is volume of cone you have to find. Now first we find volume. Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 into 22 upon 7. R is 105 upon 20, 105 upon 20 into height is 3. This 3 cancel out and you cut with 5, it will come 15. Now 4, 5 4 ja, 5 3 ja. Again you will cut with 2, 11, this is 2 and this is again cut with 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja, so it becomes 11 in 33 into, यानी कर लीजिए 11 into 63 upon 11 into 63 upon 8, so it becomes 196 upon 8. When you solve it, you will get 86 11 into 3 into 21. When you solve it, you will get 86.625 meter cube. Now we have to find CSA. In CSA you know that is pi RL. L you don't know. First we find slant height. Here we can find slant height. L is equal to under root h square plus r square. What is h? If you what is h? 3. and if you cut it you will get 21 upon 4 meter. 21 upon 4 meter square का स्क्वायर 9 प्लस 441 अपॉन 4 का 16, 16 9 जा 144 plus 441 upon 16. Now it will come 585 upon 4. It will come 30.